early morning bike ride in the rain up to the national park. All right, here I am. I am back. I am feeling mostly okay. Yeah, I definitely had another chest injury. I'll explain that in a few minutes. Right now it's 5:30 in the morning. I'm bicycling up to the national park. It was raining, it's a bit windy, but let's go. Look at that flower sticking up on the sidewalk. I'll have to look that one up. Neat. There are wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour today, which actually is not that bad so far, but if you know me, you know that's the cutoff point. Pretty close to me parking the bike. I almost didn't come, but I'm already glad that I did. It's a beautiful morning for a bike ride. I stopped to take some pictures of wildflowers, and this little squirrel is not very happy with me. I hear you, I'm going. Holy cow, coming up the hill. Whew, I stopped dead in my tracks. Look at this big boy. Beautiful. Boy, when his rack is done, it's going to be huge. I made it. I'm at Rocky Mountain National Park. There's not too many people here. It's a beautiful morning. I'll be up here for several hours this morning. I brought my book, I have my camera, I have my tripod. I know there's a moose mama up here with her baby. I'm hoping to see her, but you know, you never know. We'll see. We'll see what we see in the park today. And I'll give you a little life update as usual. I'm in Endo Valley. The wind is crazy. I stopped by Sheep Lakes for a little bit, but I'm gonna stop there again, but the wind is just whipping through. So I thought I might have a better chance of seeing some moose up in Endo Valley. I haven't seen anything yet. I've been absent the last few weeks or so because I did have another chest injury. Oh my gosh, all right. I'm gonna admit it. This is what I did. It wasn't anything too spectacular. Basically, I was leaning over a like a metal fence, like a metal railing, and I had sunglasses on top of my head. They fell off. So I reached over to grab them. I couldn't reach them. You know, I tried several times. So I'm leaning over this rail. I just made one last push to like, boom, I'm gonna get these sunglasses because I couldn't reach them from the bottom. And then when I did it, I felt a pop in my chest. Long story short, I cracked another rib, and but surprisingly the most painful part has been I pulled a muscle deep in my chest, and that's been the hardest thing, honestly, to get over. I've broken ribs before, but yeah, the pulled muscle in my chest, that was the worst, honestly. And it's way better, obvious. I couldn't even swing my leg up over the bicycle seat without being in severe pain. So I can at least ride the bike around, but at the end of the day, I can still feel the injury inside. It's still healing. It can take up to 12 weeks to heal, which is obscene. But I'm getting out more. Obviously, I've got a big hike and camp out next week, which I'm super excited about, and I should be able to do that for sure. But I'm just trying to get out as much as I can so I can stay active and stay fit. Okay, back on Wilbury. I'm going to start heading back down. I'm going to take my time through Endo Valley and stop at Sheep Lakes again for a little bit. I have the camera and tripod. I haven't really dug them out yet, just because I haven't seen that much, and the wind is just crazy. The fun thing is, though, it was a headwind coming all the way up here. It was quite the push, but now this is as far as I'm going to go. I'm going back down, and the wind's at my back. I've got that tailwind bringing me home. It's going to be great. I could not stay up at the national park. It was way too windy. The wind is really picking up. But of course now I have the usual bull elk roadblock. Very pretty though. I love watching their horns grow in, their antlers. It's so cool.